This house was built in the 80s to replicate a Victorian style home. This was a long renovation. It was a 15-month project. This home was set back in the 80s. From a functionality perspective, the home was really choppy and didn't allow for light to flow through from one end to the other. While it looked Victorian, on the outside it's actually a fairly newer build, but it had become dated over time. Starting off with the windows, that was probably the most significant change and had the biggest impact on the exterior of the home. We changed the windows to be a black rectangular window, it's a nice clean linear line, and we included a new stone lintel, which helped to add a contemporary element to the home while still keeping with a classic styling. So in the entranceway, we did add a double closet to the front hall. We chose a gray herringbone tile for the foyer floor, which is a classic element, and set the tone for the rest of the home. Off the foyer, you enter into a lovely dining room, which is open concept with the living room. We removed a very large brick fireplace from what is now the dining room. The fireplace itself stuck out into the room about 3 feet, so it was a tricky change to make, but it provided all of the rooms with much more space by removing it. We left the bay window largely open with just a few accents because it is a prominent spot for a Christmas tree in the holidays and for other seasonal decoration. One of the key features in the dining space is that beautiful branch chandelier, which is a handmade piece by a local manufacturer, Lightmaker Studio, here in the Distillery District in Toronto.
Beautiful, nice plug.
Nice plug. So moving on to the living room, again, open concept with the dining room, and this is really a well-used space within the home. The family does get together on a daily basis, so we've provided a TV and ample seating for everyone to gather, and it's a very warm palette. It's this beautiful jewel-toned navy sofa, which is a lovely jumping off point for the rest of the decor. The other key change we made was moving the kitchen from the center of the home to the back of the home. We also used the opportunity to open up the back wall, install floor-to-ceiling French doors, which allows a lot of natural light into the home. The one beautiful thing with selecting a natural white oak floor is that other woods pair really well with it. One of the things that we wanted to provide the homeowners with was an integrated breakfast bar in walnut with benches and extra space for chairs so that you can have a gathering around the hub of the kitchen. We were also able to provide the homeowners with a beautiful bar area, another whole area of storage through armoires, upper and lower cabinetry, and a wine fridge. We had fun in the powder room. The powder room was an essential must-have on the main floor, especially with 2 young children. We also decided to be very playful. The wallpaper is a beautiful and colorful chinoiserie pattern and really set off the tone for the entire space. The staircase was another major change. They've become a statement piece for the home as the staircase itself has been paneled, painted the same color as the wall, and there's a beautiful Elte runner in a geometric pattern running up the staircase. One of the major decisions that we made was to turn the unused attic on the 3rd floor into a beautiful master bedroom retreat. The bedroom area is ample enough that it gives them space for a king-size bed and additional furniture. And then we also introduced this beautiful master ensuite. The master ensuite is predominantly marble. We inset this beautiful mixed mosaic mat into the floor just at the foot of the tub. And what's really beautiful is that this freestanding oval tub has a view of the park across the street through one of the original small arched windows. Rob and Trish absolutely love their home. Their boys are growing into it beautifully. They have this lovely park and a community right across the street from themselves. They really see themselves living here for a long time.